Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1955 Post. It's a real VC car. It's got a 355 in it. Double hump heads. Lunati Cam. Super peppy. Pretty fresh build on the motor. It also has a Freddie Brown Turbo 400 in it. A little bit of a stall, maybe a 2500. Four-wheel disc brakes. Power. It's got a Rack-N-Pinion steering in it as well. It's also power. Super straight body. Bumpers are in great shape. Sitting on Cragars with like brand new Radial TAs. Real nice front bumper. T3 up front. Drives fantastic. So we got a bench. There's no steering wheel. Super nice, presentable car. Custom stereo. Added gauges, so we got oil pressure, which is fantastic. Temp and amps. B&M Shifter too. High flow heads and double hump heads. Lunati Cam. Real punchy, this car. Got a new quick fuel carburetor on it. A $900 carb with Ultra Shine. Flowmaster cylinder, double. Wheeland Intake. Custom Shroud. Got a rack underneath it too. Drives nice and straight down the road. Headers lead to the 2F exhaust. New battery. Air cleaner. Car really runs nice. It's a 650 double pumper carb, electronic ignition, cell coil. Runs nice and cool. No issues. Body's got real nice fitment all the way around. It's got 308 gears, traction bars, Flowmaster exhaust. Real nice sound out of it. Real nice, honest interior. No rips or tears or anything like that. Only a few 100 miles on the motor and the tranny. works. Headliner's real nice shape too. Windows roll down real nice and easy. Take it for a quick buzz. Runs so nice, this car. Difference. Nice cruiser. Turbo 400 with 308 makes it a real nice cruiser. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com.